Hey everybody, we are going to be doing a Bronco Slipstream installation, and I want to show you first all the parts and everything that comes in your kit. So starting with everything, put it all out on a table, all your different bag hardware, all of that keep together. Don't dump all of it out because there's metric mixed with regular, so don't do that. So starting on this table, this is the tail skin. This attached to the folding top. This fits into your tailgate groove when the tailgate's closed. This is the lower wall assembly that goes in first. Here we've got, for the hard top, these are tail skin corners, so they will match up with this right here, because this gap that we need to have on a soft top is for your hook assemblies, okay, for your soft top crossbar. So these do not get installed on a soft top, but they will on a hard top. These are your wing walls. These go on the sides of your center wall panel. Closes out the wall assembly. This bag right here, keep this together. This is a new upgrade as of July 2023. These are our new spin lever handles for the folding top and the folding wall. So this eliminates the quick release pins, makes it more functional, easier to use. And for those of you that have bought previous kits, we are doing a retro kit that you'll be able to pick up and still add these to your system. Two little floor brackets. These mount to your D-rings in the floor. This is your wire cover that goes on your driver's side skin. This is if you just want to close out the area for the hard top wire harness and the windshield wiper fluid tube. You need to have a space for them to pull out. This kind of covers that up when it's in use. This is your left and right wing skins right here. You've got your access panel, your spacer bar, your vertical frames, your two tie-down rails. You can see these are the holes for the tie-downs. These attach to the top of your skins. These are your two square tube horizontal frames. These are your two hardtop side frames. These bolt to the body tub in factory mount locations underneath your plastic sidewall access panels on your sidewalls. So this is the hard top ones. They're larger than the soft top ones. So if you have a soft top, you won't be using these, you'll be using these. These go in the same place, but what they do is they pick up two mounting bolts that your soft top mechanism mounts to the body tub, okay? And we'll go over that during the installation, showing you those locations. But these are your two main attached brackets. Over here we've got the small panel for the folding top, the large panel for the folding top. This is your center wall panel where the access panel and the spacer bar goes. And then in your hardware bags, you're gonna have a roll of 1/2-inch peel and stick foam, two 24-inch long hard rubber strips. The hard rubber strips go on the side frames. A peel and stick round rubber seal. That's an edge seal between the folding top and the wall. And then a tail skin edge seal, which goes on the edge here to protect when you close your tailgate, so it's not metal to metal. Large hinge bag. These are metric nuts on this, so keep these separate. Your main hardware bag. These are standard quarter 20 bolts, nuts and washers. Two hard top mounting bolts. If you have a soft top, you're reusing the soft top bolts that are mounting the mechanism to the body. In a hard top, there's nothing there, so we supply you the bolts. Again, if you're doing a soft top, you won't be using these. Then you've got your small hinge bag. This has got your lock assembly, a 1x3 magnet that we use as a cam lever protection plate. In this manila envelope, you're gonna have 2 bolts and 2 rubber seals. The 2 rubber seals go in place on the plastic in the rear corner where these rear side brackets mount to. Again, you don't have bolts in place on a hard top because you don't have the hook assembly for a soft top. So we supply you the bolts again for when you're installing on a hard top. So that's these guys. Put them back, keep them in the envelope until you need them. And then the other thing is we're putting in an envelope for all the kits going out right now. Just an important notice about the new spin handles and a individual video for installing the spin handles latches is on the website under our installation video section. Right now it's the second video listed on that. It might be different after we upload this new install video, but everything is there. And as always, if you ever have a question, just give us a call or send us an email. So this is the Bronco Slipstream system that's getting ready to go in that Bronco.